Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 173 different strategies, with 56 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 63 of the other strategies that we've put it against, every single one. We've also tested a total of 997 indicators, with 420 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says consistent profit with this new indicator on TradingView. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator and this strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and hide these two indicators here like we normally do. First indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the Ichimoku Cloud Momentum and Trend Indicator, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it should look like this right here. The next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the Andean Oscillator, this one right here. You'll add that one to the screen as well. And again, it will look like this right here. Scroll back a little bit. You can kind of see it a little bit better there. So what we're specifically looking for is going to be the Ichimoku indicator, the Ichimoku Cloud. And we are looking for it to give us one of these black diamonds. So we're looking for the black diamond to be above the center line. So anytime a black diamond appears on the center line like so, that means that in theory there should be consolidation or range in the market. And when the black diamond spikes either up or down like this, then that is a trend in the market that has now been established. And then of course, whether it goes to the downside or the upside is a long trend or a short trend. And then lastly, you're looking for these bars right here, this green bar or this red bar, to give you the idea of the kind of momentum in that trend. And so specifically what we're looking for is when we get a black diamond that appears to the upside, this is going to be for a long trade, then we are looking for the green bar, the green histogram bar here, to be maxed out. And so if I go back over here, you can kind of see when we get this black diamond right here to the downside, you can see how the red bar was not maxed out, is about halfway up there. This one neither, this one neither. And you can see here how it maxes out right here at the line. And so in this case, what we're looking for is when that diamond appears, the green bar to be maxed out. We're then going to look down to the Andean Oscillator, and we want it to be the green line above the orange and the red, like so. It's kind of hard to see. The Andean Oscillator isn't all too, let's see if I can bump up the line weight here a little bit. That way you're a little bit clearer. All right, like so. Now you can see that the green line is above the orange is above the red. It doesn't matter whether or not the orange is above the red, but we're looking for the green to be on top of the other two in some fashion. And it's going to be our signal to then enter a long. We're then going to put our stop down here below the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So in this case would be right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. All right, so you see it takes a little bit, pretty much run into consolidation as soon as we would have entered into the trade, but then eventually we get the spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, and for a short trade, again, we're looking for that black diamond to appear, this time to the downside. We're looking for that red bar to be maxed out as it is right there. Then we're looking for the red line to be above the orange and the green in whatever fashion, as long as the red is above the other two. It's going to be our entry into a short right here. We're then going to put the stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. All right, a little bit faster on this one so that we come down and we hit our take profit nicely. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy here. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $13,600 for a total loss of $4,000 altogether. So definitely not consistent profits from this new indicator on TradingView. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 59 trades during the same period of time. We had 42 winning trades and 17 losing trades, putting it at a 71% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,200. Your loss, your drawdown would have been $15,300 for a total gain of $17,100 altogether. Even a fraction of that, say divide it by, cut it down by a quarter or even an eighth, and you would have still had a decent gain compared to this strategy here. I think it was over a 4-month period of time. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, so it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. And so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. And so this is these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin using the Academy of Forex indicator on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we're keeping track of the signals that it gives, again, on these 4 Forex pairs and 1 crypto coin. So last week on the Forex pairs, it did 5 trades, 3 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a 60% win rate. Would have been a gain of $240. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning, 1 losing, for a 66% win rate and a gain of $420. So for this week, you would have gained $660. It's last week anyways. Add that to our total now, and for 9 weeks now, at the 9-week total, you'd have been at $18,040. So you can see how when I say you can make tens of thousands of dollars in a few months, it's definitely achievable with just a few Forex pairs and a few handfuls of trades each week. All right, so that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.